Okay, now we'll start phenol. Alcohol, methods of preparation done, physical property, chemical property we have done. So now we'll move to phenol. You know, phenol means the compound in which the benzene ring contain directly OH group. This compound is called phenol. Actually, OH containing compounds are called alcohol, but if the benzene ring contain directly OH group, then that type of compounds are called phenol. So first time I want to give you what are the methods of preparation, how to prepare the phenols in laboratory. Methods of preparation of phenol. So these are the laboratory method. Number one method, from benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid is a group, its formula is SO3H and which comes from sulfuric acid. This compound is called benzene sulfonic acid. SO3H is called sulfonic acid group. When this benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, then it produces salt which is called sodium phenoxide, ONA, which is called sodium phenoxide. Here O is minus, Na is plus. This is a salt. After getting sodium phenoxide, when you hydrolyze it, hydrolyze means addition of water in presence of acid, then it will convert to phenol. So this is one method of preparation of phenol. Second method to prepare the phenol, from aniline. Aniline is one of aromatic amine. When benzene ring contain NH2 group, then the compound is called aniline. When this aniline reacts with nitrous acid, HNO2, and nitrous acid is prepared by mixing NaNO2 and HCl, then first time it produces salt. This is not nitric acid, this is nitrous acid. Then it produces salt like this, N2 plus Cl minus. This is called benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. The azo means nitrogen. In organic chemistry, nitrogen is called azo. Here two nitrogen present, that's why it is called diazonium chloride. After getting this diazonium salt, when you do hydrolysis, addition of water in presence of acid, the nitrogen molecule is removed from it, and from the water you will get the OH group above the benzene ring, which is said to be phenol. So this is another method to prepare the phenol. Number three method, from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. Third method. So this is one Grignard reagent, MgBr, which is called phenyl magnesium bromide. One example of Grignard reagent, RMgX, like that. When this Grignard reagent reacts with oxygen, then it produces salt which is called phenoxy magnesium bromide. When benzene contain O minus, it is called phenoxide ion, MgBr plus. Phenoxy magnesium bromide. and after getting this, when you do hydrolysis, then it will convert it to phenol. I mean MgBr will be replaced by H plus ion from water. So these are the three methods I have given to prepare phenol. Now another method, number 4, from sodium salt of benzoic acid. From sodium salt of benzoic acid. You know benzoic acid means when benzene contain carboxylic acid group COH. This compound is called benzoic acid, and when the hydrogen of the acid is replaced by sodium metal, then it is called sodium salt of benzoic acid. When this sodium salt of benzoic acid reacts with the mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, this mixture is called soda lime. Then this part will combine and they will form a compound. Here 2 Na, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen. I mean they will produce Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, and the remaining part will be phenol. Sorry, remaining part will be benzene. From sodium salt of benzoic acid, so something wrong here. This should be from sodium salt of, otherwise you will get benzene, from sodium salt of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid means here it should contain one OH group, then the compound is called salicylic acid. I mean when benzene contain one carboxylic acid group and one OH group, then this compound is called salicylic acid, and when the carboxylic acid hydrogen is replaced by sodium metal, then it is called sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So when, sodium salt of salicylic acid. When the sodium salt of salicylic acid is react with soda lime, then this part will release as sodium carbonate, and the OH group will be present here, which is said to be phenol. So this is another method of preparation for phenol. Now I'll give you some industrial method. Actually the methods whatever I have given, these are laboratory method. In laboratory you can prepare phenol like this way. If you want to know about industrial method, one industrial method is called dose process, DOW. So by dose process you can prepare phenol industrially. In dose process, phenol is prepared from chlorobenzene. Actually, do you know what is the difference between lab method and this industrial method? In lab method we prepare in small amount, in industrial method they prepare in large amount. When chlorobenzene is reacted with sodium hydroxide, then it produces a salt sodium phenoxide, ONA. After that, when you do hydrolysis, you will get the phenol. So this is the method to prepare phenol industrially. And another method, industry method, from cumin. This compound is called cumin. When benzene contain one isopropyl group, the compound is cumin. First time you react with oxygen, then it produce a compound like this. You will get one intermediate, 2 CH3 group present and one OOH. I mean oxygen will be joined. After that, when you apply sulfuric acid, with some amount of heat, then it will convert to phenol, and one side product you will get ketone, acetone you will get. This is another method industrially. So industrially there are two methods to prepare the phenol. One is called dose process, another is from cumene. Cumene means when benzene ring contain one isopropyl group, then it is called cumene. Thank you.